Hello guys, welcome back. In this class I'm gonna show you how to enable one login page for your application. Django by default has some views out of the box that provide you a powerful login system with URLs for login and logout. Okay, all this system will be based on the users already registered in your database. So you can manage your users from the Django admin, create new users, delete new users, change passwords, and then they will be able to log in or log out using the URLs that I'm gonna show you now. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you under the Django documentation that Django provides us this package contrib auth, and then we can import these views from this package that will provide us a package of views for login, logout, and so many other things. Okay, so first of all, we need to import these views in our URL. So let's go to our project and let's look for our URLs. In this case, we need to use the main URLs. So this one will be fine for us. Oh, sorry, we need to import it here. Okay, and then I can take it out from here and create our URL login. URL path. Okay, so you create a path like this, or you can put just login if you want, if you think it would be better. So, and here we can use this way, and as well we can use this way, just login. Okay, that's the way that we can use. Let's put a name in this view. So I'm gonna call that login. That's okay. Okay. Um, let's see if our server is running. It is. Okay, so it's fine. And then we can go here and try it out. Let's do login, and then here we go. So Django will complain about the registration login template, so we can create this template. So let's go here inside the templates folder, not from core but the main one, my templates, and then create one folder called registration. Okay, and inside this guy we need to create one login page. So let's create this login page. Okay, here we go, and then the basic of an HTML file, and what we need to put here is basically a form. Okay, with no action. This is not necessary to put action, but we need to put a method and assign as a post, and then this view, the one that we just created here, will inject one form variable, so we can put here for this way. Okay, as well as we saw in the previous classes, we need to provide a token for our form. So you do CSRF token, okay, to protect the form against CS cross-site requesting forgery attack. So, and then we need to put a button with the login description, and the type should be submit. Okay, I think that will be okay. Let's refresh the page again, and here we go. Now we have our login page. Let me make sure that I'll be log out from the section. So there is no section in this browser open now, as you can see, and then I'll try to log in using it here. So let me log in and login, and here we go. Seems that we are logged. Okay, we see one error page, but we're gonna to get it sorted soon. Okay, that's the first thing. And as well, we can have the logout. If you do like this logout, you can see that we don't have this URL defined. But if we go here to the URLs, and if I duplicate that and I change here to logout and then logout, okay, Now we have a new URL for logout. This view will automatically take care of doing the logout and closing the section. So if I refresh it now, as you can see, now I'm logged out. Okay, so if I refresh here now, you can see that I'm not logged in anymore. So as simple as that. If I do login, here you go, we have login and then my password, I'm logged in. It just redirected to a different place. I'm gonna show you how to get it sorted soon. And then here we do logout. Okay, you can get more information uh, sorry, here in this page, okay, about the way that Django handles um, um, logins and logout pages, user profiles, and so on and so forth. Okay, guys. So it's very simple, very straightforward. In the next classes, I'm gonna show you how to handle this redirection. But as you can see here, Django has this like next page in the URL. So as soon as you log in, Django knows where it should be redirecting you. Okay, so and the second thing that I want to show you is at the moment, if we go here in clients, everything that we have in our applications has no protection at all. Everybody can go here and create a new client or edit a new client or delete a new client. Okay, that's not very nice. We need to require login for that. Let's assume that for viewing the client list, for example, everybody can see without being logged into the application. But to edit or delete or create a new client, we need to require the user being logged in. How can you do that? So Django provides for us one decorator called login required that we can assign to our functions, and then this function will require a section opened. Okay, so let's see how it works. So first of all, we need to import this guy here in core application in views. Okay, so we need that here. Okay, once we imported that here, the list client, as we said, it will be opened, will not require any login, but new, update, and delete will. So what we can do is simple as that. You just assign login required decorator right here like this. Okay, and then now Django knows that he must to require a login required for these fields. So as you can see here, I'm not logged. Okay, so if I refresh the page, I still can see the clients, but if I click new client, looks what I got. I got one login. It will try to force me to log in. Okay, it will try to force me. The same with edit, the same thing, and as well for delete. Okay, so now we have the the login required system already enabled and Django requiring that. Next class, we're going to solve this problem with the redirection. It's not a problem, it's just a setting that we should have in mind, and then we're going to test is everything the way that we're expecting. Okay, guys, so for now, or this class will be this. Implement that in your application. Make sure that Django will be requiring login for these views, and then next class we're gonna finish that. Okay. I hope you enjoy it, guys. Bye bye.